In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a new slide easily in Google Slides. This process is straightforward and only takes a few moments, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply search for Google Slides if that's easier for you. Once you're on the Google Slides page, the next step is to sign into your Google account. If you're not automatically signed in, you'll see a prompt to enter your email and password. Be sure to use the Google account where you intend to work on your slides, as this will ensure all your work is saved and accessible across your devices. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Google Slides home. This is your main hub where all your presentations live. You'll see a list of your recent presentations, and if this is your first time, it might be somewhat blank. But not to worry, we're about to change that. Now it's time to create a new presentation. Look for the option to create a new presentation, which is usually located at the top of the page. It might be labeled as blank or create presentation. Clicking here will open up a fresh canvas for you. This is where you'll start designing your new slide deck. With the blank presentation open, your next step is to add a new slide. To do this, locate the plus icon within your Google Slides toolbar. This icon is generally found on the left side of the slides panel. Simply clicking on this icon will automatically generate a new slide for you. You can repeat this action each time you need another slide added to your presentation. This simple process is all you need to easily and quickly generate slides for any type of presentation. Each slide you create can host a variety of content, from text and images to graphs and videos. Exploring these options can greatly enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your presentation, and there you have it. By following these steps, you're now able to add new slides with just a few clicks. Remember, Google Slides saves your work continuously, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and designs to make your presentation unique. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.